So now we will see how we can put images or image as a background. For example, let's create a heading of div with background image. Okay, so first thing is that we have to create a div. Okay, and make sure that you have a text or something in that div, otherwise the image will not appear. I will show you how we can do that. So let's do lorem 10 hyphen, so the text is there. Okay, good. Now style is equal to background image and URL, and you have to put in inverted comma. Okay, let's copy this address, image1 for example. So you see the image has the same height and the width like a text. So if I remove the text, like example, if I will remove, image is disappeared. So make sure that if you want to put image as a background, first the text should be there. Okay, let's create more text, lorem 20. See, the more text I put, the bigger the image is appearing. So this is how you can put image as a background in a div or on your HTML page.